do a wig party every Sunday on Facebook Live and Instagram Live, where I showcase my girlfriend units and you can purchase them online. So I want to show you what they look like and how you can style them. So this is one of the units I have on. I'm going to take it off and show you what it looks like under here. So this unit comes with an elastic band and it has a few combs in the inside of it that you can utilize. I have flat iron just a few pieces in front, probably like a ½ inch of my hair to blend in when I put it behind the hairline, but I also will show you how natural it looks on the hairline. So first and foremost, you want to make sure that your hair is flat. Every unit comes with a stocking cap, and so you'll be able to put that stocking cap on your hair. Just make it sure that it's nice and flat. It does not have to be braided back. It can be in plaits or it can be loose, but as long as you can slick it down and make it flat. If you're natural, you can just put gel on your hair and slick it back into a low bun. Okay, so let's get into it of how you style the unit. So this unit has already been pre-styled. So when you receive your Her Glory girlfriend unit, it will already be pre-styled, and you can just go ahead and put it on. So first, I'm going to show you how it looks on the hairline. So I'm going to put my little pieces up that I have left out for behind the hairline, and just put my stocking cap right on the edge of my hairline. So what you do is you take the front part of this unit, flip it out so it looks like that, and you're gonna go over the top of it and flip the back over. You go ahead and secure that bottom part with a clip at the bottom, and then I'm gonna go ahead and just flatten it out. So you may need a comb or a brush at this time to just get any flyaways or loose strands out of the way. So I'm gonna pull it back up to my hairline. I want a middle part. And you're ready to go. So this is what it looks like on your hairline. You just put it right there on the tip of the edge of your hair. Nothing too much. It will blend in very nicely. If this lace does not match your skin complexion, all you need to do is take some of your foundation that is close to your skin complexion as possible and is no makeup on, without makeup, and go ahead and dab that area. So I would show you what I would do. I would take this foundation. Right, I'm just gonna put a little bit on my finger and I'm gonna just dab it in the parting space. If you have a brush, you can use a brush or you can use your finger, however you feel. Right, and it just makes the lace really natural and blends in. So that's the middle part. You can also use this unit and do it to the side part too. That's still on your hairline, still looks very natural. And then you can also flip it to the other side and it's also on your hairline. Okay, next I'm gonna show you what you can do to get it behind your hairline. So you just lift the unit back, and I'll get those pieces out that I have flat ironed, and you just part how much hair you want to leave out. I usually leave out about a ½ inch to an inch of hair. It just depends on how much hair you want to deal with. I have a tapered cut, so I do not have hair on the sides as much, so I just leave my hair out in the front where I have the most hair at. So that is the hair I'm gonna leave out, and then I'm gonna bring the unit back up and let it sit right there. So then you'll just proceed to part from the unit onto your natural hair to create that straight parting space, right? And then you're just gonna throw this hair, comb this hair into your unit. Really naturally so that it looks very realistic behind your hairline, right? And I'm just gonna run my fingers through it to get it to look even more. And you just want your natural hair to blend in with the extensions. And that's how it looks behind the hairline. So if you're interested in ordering girlfriend units, you can purchase them online at www.thegirlfriendco.com. I'll put it somewhere in here. And also tune in every Sunday at 5 p.m. to the wig party. Hope y'all have a great and fabulous day. See y'all later. Happy hair day.